How is the rise of drone warfare affecting small and medium-sized nations' defense strategies? Drones have changed modern warfare, giving smaller nations power once reserved for military giants. Cheap, precise, and hard to detect, they've become the great equalizer in the global defense landscape. 10 ways drone warfare is reshaping global defense. 1. Asymmetric advantage. Drones allow smaller nations to challenge superior air forces using low-cost technology to deliver high-impact strikes without risking pilots. 2. Low-cost power projection. Unlike fighter jets or tanks, drones are affordable. Nations like Turkey and Iran now export drones, turning them into tools of regional influence and military diplomacy. 3. Surveillance revolution. Drones give real-time intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities once limited to superpowers, helping smaller nations monitor borders and enemy movements. 4. New military doctrines. Traditional air defense systems struggle against small, fast, and swarming drones, forcing militaries to rethink strategies and invest in counter-drone technologies. 5. Export and influence. Drone-producing nations like Turkey, Iraq, TB2, and Israel have gained soft power using drone exports to deepen alliances and influence global conflicts. 6. Proxy warfare expansion. Non-state actors and smaller militaries now use drones for targeted attacks, blurring lines between conventional warfare and insurgency. 7. AI and autonomy. AI-driven drones are reducing human involvement in combat decisions, raising ethical concerns and forcing smaller nations to adapt to autonomous warfare trends. Defense industry shift. Drones have created new military markets. Nations once dependent on Western arms are now developing local drone programs to achieve defense independence. 9. Psychological impact. Constant drone surveillance alters the psychology of war, instilling fear, reducing human risk for the attacker, and changing the moral perception of killing. 10. Strategic balance redefined. From Ukraine to Azerbaijan, drone warfare proves that precision and technology can outweigh sheer numbers, redefining what it means to be a military power in the 21st century. Subscribe and stay updated.